Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up draw length on a compound bow. Getting your draw length right is one of the most important steps for accurate and comfortable shooting. It directly affects your form, consistency, and overall performance with the bow. An incorrect draw length can cause discomfort, reduce your accuracy significantly, and even lead to injury over time. Let's dive into how to measure and adjust it properly for optimal results. First, let's find your ideal draw length. Stand with your back against a wall, extending both arms straight out to your sides, parallel to the floor. Have a friend measure the distance from the tip of one middle finger to the tip of the other. Take that measurement in inches and divide it by 2.5. For example, a 65-inch wingspan would result in a 26-inch draw length. This gives you a great starting point. Now, let's adjust your compound bow. Most modern compound bows use rotating modules or a cam system for draw length adjustments. You'll need to consult your bow's owner's manual for the exact procedure, as it varies between manufacturers. Typically, you'll use an Allen wrench to loosen the module screws, rotate the module to your desired setting, and then tighten them securely. Always ensure both top and bottom cams are set identically for proper synchronization. After making adjustments, it's time to verify. Draw the bow to your full anchor point. The string should lightly touch your nose and lips, and your peep sight should align perfectly. Your bow arm elbow should be slightly bent, not locked, and your release hand should comfortably touch your jawline. If it feels too stretched or too cramped, make small, incremental adjustments until your form feels natural, comfortable, and repeatable. This fine-tuning ensures peak performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.